80s classic here at Unique Specialty in Classics. And this one is a cruiser. It's a 1984 Buick Park Avenue. And listen to this. Actual mile car, 17,475 is all. Kind of like a time capsule when you walk around and take a look at this one. All right, underneath the hood, 5-liter V8 power that's paired up with an automatic with overdrive transmission, power steering, power brakes, AC. AC blows cold, heat blows hot. Take a look at the chrome on the front bumper grille, quad headlights. Of course, the Buick hood ornament still intact. Paint shows well, as you can see. Nice shine to it. White with maroon or maple interior. Check out the still pictures. You're going to be able to see this thing from every angle. Undersides, definitely take a look at the undersides. Engine bay, trunk, interior. UniqueClassicCars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Buick wheel covers, radial tires. Those tires are dated 2023, so tons of life left on those. Let's take a look down this passenger side. You can see it's free of nicks, dings, scratches. Condition of this car definitely reflects the actual miles on it. We'll get around to the driver's side, take a little closer look at the interior, but the interior is like new. So cloth, split bench seat. Very stock. Not notice any modifications to this. Full vinyl roof. And that is also in nice shape. No rips, tears, holes, discoloration, anything like that. And again, you can see those panels nice and straight from the rear to the front. No corrosion or rusting around the wheel wells, lower rockers. No surprises on this one, folks. A few notes from the technician that looked at this car actually stated on it. Very nice shape, drives out very well. New battery was installed in it recently. Alignment was recently done. Tires balanced, brake fluid flushed. Brakes are 80% in the front, 80% in the rear. He stated it brakes nice and straight. Will come with a full-size spare. I believe this would have originally had the space saver in it, if you remember back to the 80s. And somebody along the way would rather have a full-size spare. That will go back in the trunk. And once again, all those pictures, UniqueClassicCars.com, probably around 100 pictures of this car online. And like I said, definitely check those undersides out. It tells you a lot about the car. Take a look down this driver's side. We will start it up, let you hear it run, take a peek underneath the hood. Stick around to the very end of the video. Jason's going to take it for a drive. And up and down this driver's side, you can also see really free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. No corrosion or rust around the wheel wells, lower rockers. It's one of those cars, get in it, turn the key and go, and you know how these goes down the road. Very, very nice. And look at the room in them. And no discoloration on the armrests. Like I said, the seating surfaces are like new. Let me step back. So if I step back, there's the true color of that interior. Lots of times with this kind of burgundy or wine color, if you get right up on top of it, it wants to wash it out. That is not the color. There's the interior right there. Headliner, decent shape. There's a couple spots where it's kind of bubbled, but it's not coming down or anything. Headliner's decent. That is the original one. Front seat backs look good. This has dual power seats, both sides. We also have power windows and power locks over here. Also mirrors. And again, you can see, let me step back too so I get you the real color of this. There you go. So you can see very little wear. Seat cushion back, also in great shape. Tilt column, cruise control. I think we need to fire this up. Take a look at it. It does have an AM/FM cassette player in it. FYI, electronic climate control, concert sound stereo. There's your exact miles, 17,475, and yes, that is original miles. Obviously, condition reflects that. It's not 117,000. Top of the dash, nice shape. Just has the fastened seat belts because I don't have my belts on. There you can see the electronic climate control. I haven't played around with the radio. Let's check this out. Of course it works. Power antenna going up. Let's go ahead. We'll click that off. It is cold. Holy smokes. AC definitely works. Alright. Let's say look at the fuel gauge. Looks like the fuel gauge went up. It's accurate. That was a cold start too. We're going to be probably in high idle just a little bit here till it warms up, but I want to let you hear it run. We'll go pop the hood. I'll let it warm up a little bit and then we'll get the hood open. Good looking car. All right, let me pause this a second. We'll get this hood open, check out that engine bay, and then like I said, stick around to the very end. Jason's going to take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. All right, took about a minute for it to warm up. Wasn't much. There's the underside of the hood and engine bay. AC has been converted to the 134A. So that has been done. Battery brand new, August 2025. Good power steering, power brakes. Looks like it's got new hood struts on it too by the tags on there. Again, I've not come across any surprises on this one. I'd get in it, turn the key, and drive it wherever you wanted. Some 80s luxury here. 1984 Buick Park Avenue original mile car. 17,475 on the odometer. Call us 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. If you're interested in this car, serious, call us. These do not last long, and I guarantee you this one won't. It's a beauty. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt, gas it. Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 1984 Buick Park Avenue. Very nice running, smooth running car. The AC blows cold on this beautiful summer day. The cruise control works. Both our turn signals are working. Brakes nice and smooth. These are the seats you want to have for a nice long road trip. They say it's like driving your living room around. Some are more comfortable than couches, and this has multiple position power seats in this Park Avenue. Tilt column. Our fuel gauge reads half full. This is a drive, overdrive transmission, and on the column, shifted automatic. We're doing 55 miles an hour per the speedometer, and it is a nice, smooth ride. We have turn signal indicators on the fender. Too bright of a daylight to see if those working, but this has to be one of the last years for that, wouldn't you say? Maybe early 90s. Wood grain in the dash, of course, reminding you that it's 1984. Beautiful burgundy interior against that white exterior. Park Avenue by Buick. Buick was all about the luxury and class. Just about always power steering, just about always power brakes. We got some cars going by. I see a couple little cracks in the steering wheel. The dash may be a little bit ripply from heat, but a very well maintained car. Wow, okay. So as much as this car could lean in the corners, it's really tight in the corners. It corners nice and flat for an 84 Buick full-size car. I'm a little bit impressed. Nice, quiet, stock sounding car. The radio works.
10% of people in relation.
And it's ready for a road trip. Take a look at all the pictures of this Buick at UniqueClassicCars.com.